back, guys. I look so bad and I'm breaking out, but we had to come through with a makeup tutorial. So this is for beginners, and I'm also a beginner because I'm going to be doing a smoking eye for the first time, blah blah blah. So let's go ahead. So right here I got my little concealer concoction. I mix my concealers, so I just got this thing and mixed everything there. It just makes my life more easier. So I need some concealer, then I'm gonna be taking my brush and applying a base for my eyeshadow, which is the concealer. So I'm just gonna be applying a generous amount of concealer. Okay, so I'm just gonna continue blending that concealer out. This is probably the perfect tutorial because I didn't cut out anything. I'm gonna be taking an orange shade and I'm gonna be applying that on my crease. Make sure to blend it out evenly. And guys, if you hear noises in the background, it's windy out, so please don't mind that. Now I'm dipping into my Beauty Treats palette and I'm taking a brown shade and I'm literally dipping up my crease just a little bit. And oh, that looks rough for my eye. Hey, it looks like I'm beating my eye up, but anyways, so now I'm taking that same concealer brush, just taking the excess concealer and just literally applying it on my lid because I want to apply a darker shade, so I want it to be highly pigmented, so that's why I did that. Taking my Avon shade and a palette, not shade, palette. Then it's I'm taking this super dark brown. This palette doesn't have names, but I just know it's a quad thingy. And that brown is beautiful. It's like brownish with a little bit of black. I don't know, guys, but it's beautiful. So I'm just literally applying that on top of the concealer, just packing it on, honey. So it's been so long since I posted a makeup tutorial. I'm really not proud of that. It's honestly embarrassing. I really don't like that. It's embarrassing. Like, how can I let myself down? Okay, for some reason this clip is so slow, but I'm literally taking a brown and I'm just blending out that black, just like blending out everything basically. Now I'm using my Essence foundation in the shade, I think it's warm honey, warm coconut, I don't know, but I'm just applying that all over my face. Okay, I love my eyes. I think I'm gonna be doing this look more often. Now I'm taking a flat foundation brush and I'm just blending out that product, honey. Just blend. I've probably recorded like 3 videos and I've deleted all of them. I also deleted this one, but I found the clips. So I'm like, you know what, let me just post it because it was fire. And I know I'm gonna be recreating this all over again because this smoky eye is beautiful and I did get a lot of compliments on it and a lot of people really liked the look. So yeah, using my concealer concoction, just placing that concealer right underneath my eyes, my nose bridge, my chin. I don't think I put it on my forehead because I know I've got a big old forehead. Okay, just a little bit on my forehead. Don't put too much if you have a big forehead because the light will literally reflect on your forehead and it will make it look bigger than it is. Taking my same foundation brush and I'm just blending that product in, honey. And for my hair, I use my Black Cheek hair gel. You know, I've been rocking with Black Cheek for a very long time. Now I'm gonna be mixing those 2 shades from my Beauty Treats contour collection. I'm just gonna be applying that underneath my eyes. And guys, I got a lot of creasing. My eyes crease a lot. It's honestly annoying. It's not nice. And I'm applying that actually just everywhere I applied the concealer. Basically, I'm just setting those areas. But anyways, my skin looks good. Okay, first I took the brown shade. Don't mind that orange shade that I showed you. That's my bronzing shade. First I took a brown shade and started contouring, which is really important, and then took that red orangey shade, and then now I'm bronzing up my face and my forehead just to make it look smaller. Okay, I took my time on my nose contour because most of the time I always forget to contour my nose. Taking my blush that I always apply, not always, but yeah, I applied that on my lips and my cheeks, and now I'm using my highlighter shade. I love this pocket thingy from Beauty Treats. I feel like they should make more. I know there's more, but it's honestly amazing and it's a good investment. Just applying that highlighter on my chin, on my nose. Taking my brown shade, the one that I applied on my lids, and I'm just lining my lips, and honey, it's perfect. And I took the same shade. Okay, I took a brown in the palette, and I'm just basically placing it underneath my eyes, and that is the finished makeup look, you guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye. See you in the next clip.